So let me show you something. This one is my solution. This one is a sponge. You rub it like this. Like this one is a chemical. Let me show you something. Mulika hapa. Inachamuka. That's a chemical. So I'm going to place it over here. And then I'm going to scrub it like this. Acha nionyeshe side moja. Naonesha. Endelea kwanza. You're going to use even this brush over here. So this brush you're going to umwagilia hivi. And then you see this. And on the corners over here, you need to have some brush like this one. You need to have a brush like this one. So on the corners you scrub it like this. These are soft cloth like this. Hapo inaonekana vizuri?
Yeah.
So you see this part doesn't have watermarks, but kuna watermarks. So kati tu kujua inaonekana hivi. So I'm going to roll up the window. I'm going to roll down the windows so that I can clean all of it. To make my story short, this is the after results. This is how it looks. Very clean. You cannot see no watermarks, no what. Any question, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you see how clean it is. I can see my reflection over there. And any question, subscribe to your YouTube channel. And